Today you're going to be shown how to start putting together the monkey bars. As you can see on the first page of your assembly instructions, it goes step 1, open a new assembly file. It'll then go on to say place 2 monkey bar, and upright monkey ladder. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Assembly, place upright monkey ladder, 2 of those. Monkey bar, and that one. Okay. So, depending on if you made the monkey bar horizontal or vertical, you may have to rotate it. To rotate it, you can just highlight them, free rotate, rotate them somewhat horizontally. Okay. So, we're then going to make or place one of each by the monkey bar. Okay, so on one side you have the upright monkey bar, and the other side you have upright monkey ladder. Okay, in order to constrain them, we're going to constrain. We're going to mate the top of the upright monkey bar to the bottom of the monkey bar. Apply. Then to get them lined up, you're going to flush the hole with this, or the side with the holes to the side with the holes. Apply. It may move like that, but you can flush the ends to line it up. Okay, so mate the top to the bottom, apply. Flush whole side to whole side, and then flush end to end, apply. So we'll do the same thing to the other set. Top to bottom, whole side, end to end. Mate the last one, and flush it. Okay, so you should have 2 sets of monkey bars without poles. Okay, next we are going to put the poles in. It does say place 21 monkey poles. For this purpose, I'm just going to place a few. Okay, so monkey pole, open. I will place 3 of them. Okay. Next, it will tell you to go to a new constraining tool. So constrain, under type, you click insert, and then under solution, you click aligned. Okay. The easiest way to remember that is, if you notice, arrow up, right? Arrow down. So arrow up, choose a hole, arrow out, apply. Okay. Next, we're going to align, arrow out, and arrow out on the same hole, apply, cancel. If you notice, I made sure to make sure it was the first hole on each side. Okay. If you don't line them up, then it will not work for you. So constrain, insert, aligned, arrow up, arrow out, apply. Arrow out, and I need to make sure it's the first hole, arrow out, apply, cancel. Okay. This is now one item. The rest of the monkey poles, I can just go insert, aligned, arrow up, arrow out, apply. Do that with the rest of the poles, save it as monkey bars, and move on to the next.